This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 on page 209. To make easy deviled eggs, cut your hard-boiled eggs in half. Then put your egg yolks in a plastic bag. Then in your plastic bag, you're going to add your mustard, your salt, and your mayonnaise. And if you want to add an extra bit of flavor, put a little bit of bacon grease in with your deviled eggs. Close the bag and smash your egg yolks in with your mayonnaise, mustard, and bacon grease. Get the air out. There we go. Yeah, that'll go better. Just, whoops, oh dear. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, we saved the day. There we go. Okay, get it back down in there. There. Oh, yum, that looks so good. Place your eggs on your tray. Then snip a tiny hole off your bag and smush all that yummy goodness down into the corner of your bag and start filling. Then if you want color, you can add some paprika on top. We don't, because we don't like paprika, and we like the taste of these best, just like they are. And there you have yummy deviled eggs. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.